just one dream.
Provide the cure and hygienic to the most vulnerable people.
We have done so and outdoor activities to be able
To reduce infections.
Physical stress and poor hygiene.
Nunca una ley fue tan simple y clara.
Our dream is to contribute in some of SDG through Greenify.
Juntos somos evolución. Moving, all the people moving.
Our move is to create some cloth bags with some motivating slogan.
We say moving.
Our dream is gender equality.
We move for respect.
I move for climate action, my dream is safe gear, and I recycle.
Hi, my name is Oli Ajala and my move is for the well-being, the health and the safety of the world, both for people and the environment.
Hi, my name is Ailia. My move is to make people of feminism in order to improve gender equality.
Hi, my name is Noemi, and my move is to support the end to poverty. I know this is impossible, but something I always done to help others.
Hi, my name is Maima, and my move is guaranteeing of people's rights. It is not possible to achieve sustainable development, and countries should take steps to protect people.
My move is to explain less energy.
My move is to run for my health.
Hi, we're Paula and
Nurio.
and we're two students of Puerto Rico.
Yes, and next year we are going to do bachelorette. And well, we are going to talk about One Move for One Dream. Our move is SDG 4, Quality Education. The movement that we have done is an activity to reflect on our education, the opportunities that we have had and the ones we will have in the future thanks to that education. And we recorded a short video imagining ourselves in 5 years' time.
Yes.
This video
We had to use the conditionals and explain what we think that our future would be and will be,
what we could do to be better,
and what we would like to be.
For example, I commented that if I study hard, I know I'm capable to get through bachelorette.
Yes.
And the career I want to do.
Sorry for the noise. And I said that if I get bachelorette, I would like to go to university and maybe study biotechnology, and yes.
Yes, and I want to go to the university and study English philology.
Yes, and that's all.
That's all.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK.